Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to the Pulse live show here with the PeakBot team. Hope everyone is doing well. I am your co-founder and co-host Dillon, joined by my friends, co-hosts, partners, Thomas and Ben. How we doing, gentlemen?
Doing good. Do you consider Thomas a friend yet?
Yeah, we've gotten a couple meals with Thomas. We're friends. We're friends. We've journeyed into New York City with him, which was a
That's true.
Next
Do
week.
that with Thomas.
That's happening next week.
Again, next week.
Again,
I'm gonna drive this time.
Are we sure?
I think I should.
I got it good last time.
All right. Well,
I
regardless,
can pick you guys up. I'll bring like bagels or something if that makes up for it.
Well, it kind of does. I'll risk my life for a Taylor ham, egg, and cheese.
Which, by the way, we were talking about this morning. Not everybody's going to understand that.
Yeah,
Taylor ham is a very North Jersey local kind of meat that you would put on a breakfast sandwich. Others refer to it as a pork roll, but even pork rolls, I think that's only like South Jersey.
Yeah.
Beyond New Jersey, what do you put on your breakfast sandwich?
I think people just put like deli ham.
No, bacon. People do bacon.
Sausage is another.
Sausage is like, I guess, after that. But like, you go into New York City, like the fanciest delis, the best sandwiches, everybody wants the bacon, egg, and cheese.
Yeah.
That's not satisfying enough for me.
No. Honestly, it kind of ruins the bacon, egg, and cheese. Taylor ham ruins bacon, egg, and cheese.
Well, I do Taylor ham, bacon, egg, and cheese, but Thomas is going to call that.
You know it's coming there.
Do you throw a hash brown on there too?
Yeah. Do you want to know what's actually something crazy? The number one Taylor ham, egg, and cheese is actually in Chatham, so where I live.
Milburn Deli?
No, that's how can I say that's in Chatham?
Milburn Deli has
multiple locations.
Well, yeah, it's in Morristown.
Sloppy Joe's at the Milburn Deli.
So good.
Incredible.
So good.
The what?
Sloppy Joe's.
Oh, didn't know about that.
Yeah, but the number one Taylor ham, egg, and cheese is in Chatham at Pascarella Bros, like maybe 5 minutes away from me.
Pascarella Bros in Morristown recently shut down. Well, I guess not too recently.
I don't know about that. I didn't even know there was one there.
You guys are more educated on this than I was aware of.
Well, it's a big deal. Small town, number one Taylor ham, egg, and cheese. It's
a big deal.
It's a pretty big deal.
Breakfast sandwiches, they're great.
Post
your favorite breakfast sandwich in our comment thread.
Yeah. And if you don't have a favorite breakfast sandwich, get out of here.
Yeah.
So yeah, by the way, we got live trades. I believe we're gonna have some live trades on Tradier happening here soon.
Let's hope.
We just see a message here, which maybe we can just address quickly. But I don't know. We can get into that. We have live trades.
I guess we'll find out in 2 minutes.
This is a news break to us.
Yeah.
Just happened in the last 10 minutes. Hopefully everything still works out fine. Don't know if this impacts Tradier's APIs.
We will.
I'm hoping that it just impacts the front end trading experience. But we will see. And if trades don't go through, Thomas is going to have to hop off and handle all the the client support coming in.
Yeah, we'll get to that. Let's just pray. I really don't feel like having like 30.
Hey, that's not. You don't say that live on air. That's not true. We take care of customers.
Yes, we take care of customers, but I would like to also
moving on.
Yes.
Okay.
Giving us a bad look, Thomas.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. We're all about honesty here, PeakBot, but
transparency.
Here we go. So a couple things. We might see trades in less than 60 seconds here.
Yes.
We know our iron condor strategies are pretty much right on within the minute.
Yeah, Dillon, do you have your account up with the iron condor? Because I'm not running iron condor on this one.
I do. I have some condors open. Let me share screen and we'll get that pulled up.
Quick. You got 15 seconds.
Yeah. We got to be quick. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
All right.
Zoom in a little bit.
Zooming in.
All right. So you got SPY and the Qs open. Scroll up. Do you still have the trading stop notice?
Oh, yeah, I do.
Yeah.
All right. I guess we'll find out. Just turned 12 o'clock. Find out within a minute or so.
Yep. And so for reference, my PeakBot account, as we can see,
where are you going, man? We got to watch the trading.
You got to watch the trades here, Dillon.
I was going to show you guys what trades to expect.
No.
I'm expecting iron condors on QQQ and SPY right now.
And some trend spread trades.
Trend spread could happen a little bit after, though.
Yeah, trend spread's got some. There's a little
No positions right now. Totally cleaned up.
Yeah.
Well, that might not be the case because nobody is showing positions currently.
Oh, okay.
On Tradier.
Oh,
rejected. Uh-oh.
What does the rejection notice say?
Yeah, what's the rejection? Doesn't say.
It just says order rejected.
Ruh-roh.
Well, we might be calling an audible here.
Yeah, let's go to some trader trivia, guys. Or some trader trivia right now.
These trades were placed hands-free.
Yep, they were all placed hands-free.
Maybe not executed yet.
Yeah, not executed.
All right. Hopefully, oh boy. All right, here they come, Thomas.
First message. First message is coming. And you're not going to get a more honest show than you get here with the Pulse of the PeakBot team. All right, so we might have to pivot live. By the way, before we get into trader trivia, I just want to mention, because this has come up. This is automated trading, algorithmic trading. Things like this of course, are out of our control for this scenario specifically, but things like this happen. These things happen. You got to be expecting things like this to happen occasionally. Know that we're on top of it, and we'll handle any situations needed. And of course, we'll get more information from Tradier as we can. So if there's questions, you can see our phone number on the screen. You can also use the chat in your account. Don't be shy. We're here. Show might have to be cut a little short, but we'll see.
The show must go on.
Show must go on. You're right. Hit us with some trader trivia, Ben.
All right, trader trivia. Bring in a little bit of cryptocurrencies into today's question. Question as states on screen, which major online retailer became the first to accept Bitcoin as a payment in 2014? And if you know the answer, text the answer to 973-888-1166. If you answer that correctly, you will get a free 3 months of PeakBot.
And for the answer, truthfully, I haven't seen this. I don't know the answer. There's no cheating here. I don't know if Thomas knows the answer. I think this is going to be a guess, honestly. For some reason, just so we know, my guess, I'm leaning toward eBay. eBay seems like the weird company that would go out there and do that, first. I would have
heard about that. I feel like that would be you would see on you've bought stuff on eBay, you've never seen buy with.
I've never bought anything off of eBay.
You've never bought a thing off of eBay?
No,
really?
No,
okay.
I haven't ever.
All right. Well, wait. Can I look and look up what Overstock? I've never heard of.
No,
Overstock.
You can't.
All right, you're right. So honestly, because it's definitely not Amazon, it can't be eBay. Definitely not Walmart. I've never heard of Overstock.
Overstock.com.
No, I've never heard of Overstock.
I don't know. It's kind of similar to an Amazon.
I feel like Overstock was eBay or Amazon before Amazon.
Well, Dylan, if you know what it is, have you been on it?
Thomas, can you put a guess in?
Why do I have to put in a guess? Why don't you put in a guess?
I already did. I said see eBay.
Oh, you said eBay. All right.
I'm
gonna go B, Overstock, because I've never heard of it.
Okay, yeah. Overstock is similar to an Amazon eBay situation, if that makes sense. Probably in between.
Unless you can't purchase Bitcoin on PayPal, can you? No.
I'm not sure. Hit us with the did you know though. This show is fun today.
Gonna keep this moving. By the way, Thomas.
Yeah.
For all the customer support requests coming in, tell them once Tradier has resolved trading issues, their bots will place trades for them.
Yep.
Cool.
Fantastic. What did I not know, Ben, that I'm about to?
What didn't you know? You didn't know that options trading dated back to ancient Greece. The philosophy. Wait, I feel like we had this one before. Did we have this one, or did I just prepare this?
Olive presses?
Maybe I prepared this last week and we didn't get to it last week.
Okay.
So the philosopher Thales
sure,
used options to secure rights to an olive press to profit when he had harvest coming in. So I guess there were limited amount of olive presses back then, and he had to pay a premium to get use of those.
Two of my favorite things: options trading and olive oil.
Love some good olive oil.
Love me some good olive oil.
Now, what do you put in your olive oil? If you're dipping bread in it, what do you put in it? Because you're not just eating the olive oil plain.
No, it's a great question. Obviously, some grated cheese, Parmesan, or whatever mix
Fresh cracked
depending
pep.
upon. Oh yeah, of course, fresh cracked pep, and potentially even some red pepper flakes.
Yeah, I like the red pepper flakes.
Yeah, that's absolutely Thomas. I don't know if Thomas has ever done that before in his life.
I have. I am also partially Italian, and I pasta Sundays were a big thing. So
Okay.
I was definitely tipping the bread in olive oil here.
Okay.
Thomas is a very, very cultured person.
Yeah, very
Thomas speaks
cultured.
fluent Spanish for those that don't know.
Speak
He's got a
Spanish.
Polish last
Sí,
name.
sí, yo
and
sí
he-
puedo hablar español, pero mi acento no es muy buen, entonces no me gusta hablarlo porque mi familia haga chismes y chistes. Chistes, not chismes. So,
Yeah.
Good enough.
Whatever that. Yeah.
Good enough. So
Good
yeah,
enough.
Thomas
Hey, we believe you.
speaks Spanish. He's got a Polish last name, and he
Yeah,
observes Italian Sundays.
yeah, I do. It's crazy.
There's layers to this guy. This guy's like an onion. All right, hit us with the answer.
The answer is B, overstock.com.
Did Thomas guess that?
B,
Yeah, you guessed
he
that.
did.
I guessed
He
that.
did. If you guessed B and you sent that to 973-888-1166, you are going to get a free 3 months of PeakBot. Awesome.
Absolutely. All right. Well, Thomas, great job there.
Yeah.
Trading is still suspended here. It looks like I had my trend spread Etsy trade rejected. So again, we will be in touch with what's going on here. How about
for other brokers? I'm going to flash screen just because I know some people are watching us that are on other brokers. I believe all of the trades went through no problem there.
Cool.
I'm checking my other accounts, and yeah, I think we're all good on other brokers. It's just unfortunately the pride and joy of this show, Tradier.
It's all right. Hey, the show must go on. These things happen, right? Look, sometimes best trade is no trade. Maybe this was meant to be. We don't know. We'll figure it out though, and
Everything happens for a reason.
We'll keep moving forward. So, all right, now let's get to PeakBot picks, okay, gentlemen.
Let's do it.
We have some updates, okay, which I am pulling up right now.
So Dillon, you won last week, right?
Yes, that's certainly one of the updates here. I am currently atop the leaderboard with a 2-1 record, as we can see here. I'll zoom in just a bit. After week 3, I'm 2-1. Ben's 1-2. Thomas is 0-3. We had a rocks, paper, scissors, Rochambeau tiebreaker for what was that? That was I guess that was week 2. So I claimed the top spot last week, having gone 3 for 3. Ben and Thomas both went 2 for 3. You can see the selections here. So let's see if we can keep that going for this week. Here are our picks for this week. Contracts expiring today in just a few hours. These were selected on the 11th last Friday. So let's see what we can do. I feel like we're forming a pattern here. Okay. Tell me if you guys agree. Here's the pattern I'm seeing. Normally, I am all in one direction. But regardless, you two are always on the same page with bearish bullish. It seems like you two always line up. This week, it's 2 bears, 1 bull. You guys always line up on that, and I am not. I am the oddball out there. So, of course, we know, and we'll take a look at the SPY this week and our outlook for next week when we're making picks. We know it's been an interesting week in the stock market. We've been moving around quite a bit. We'll take a closer look at that. Whose picks do we want to see first, gentlemen? I mean, I did win last week. I think I technically get to pick that, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
Am I still? Do you guys still with me here? All right, here we go. We're gonna go with Thomas's picks first. All right, Thomas. I forget if these were your rushed picks or not. Ben, you got your peak, your Tradier chart up.
These were my rushed picks. Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Tradier chart is up.
All right, we're going Thomas bear spread, call spread on Oxy OXY. He was looking to stay below $57 sold strike for $12 in premium.
Below 57. Bam.
Wow, very much.
That's
Yeah, very nice. Okay, 1 for 1, Thomas. We got Boeing bearish call spread for $94 in premium earned, trying to stay below 155. I can't imagine.
155.
Ooh.
Close one.
Bearish
That's a
week.
close one.
There.
That's going to come down to the end of the day.
Yeah,
Ooh.
we're going to be taking another look at that for sure. All right, so close on that one. His lone bull put spread on Square, ticker SQ, $57 earned in premium, looking to stay above a sold put strike of $68. Did he do it?
Above 68.
Sure did.
Bam.
Sure did.
Let's go.
2 for 3 seems becoming a trend for Thomas.
No, I'm 3 for 3 right now, Dylan. Don't.
Oh, you're right. I'm sorry. I forgot that was a bear. I forgot that bowling was a bear. You're just there. We're going to check it in a couple minutes. I bet you'll be 2 for 3. Sorry. Ben's picks. Here we go. Ben, you want your bears or your bull first?
Give me the bull.
Here we go. CMG, ticker CMG, put spread bullish, $10 earned in premium. Sounds like low risk, boring. $57 sold strike, trying to stay above.
Yeah, it is a little boring in terms of premium.
Yeah, but
This is
you also
Chipotle.
do DJT, so makes up for
You
it.
did it. It's working right now.
What was the price? Sorry.
57.
57. All right, we're comfortable. We're comfortable.
That's a great chart. Can I say it's a pretty good chart?
Yeah. Maybe I'll get Chipotle.
Oh, this is
for dinner.
Chipotle. We were just talking
Yeah.
about this. Okay, really quick. Thomas, what's your Chipotle order?
All right.
You can't
Don't
keep
hate
doing
on the first ingredient. Brown rice, way better than white rice.
I could do both. I've been
Okay,
on both
okay.
sides.
All
Continue.
right, I brown rice, black beans, chicken, fajita veggies. You need to get the green salsa, corn, sour cream, and cheese.
Okay, is this a burrito or a bowl?
No bowl.
Bowl with
It
tortilla
goes
on the
both.
side?
No, Dylan.
Is that a fat move?
Yeah.
Okay. Talk about trends. Maybe fat seems to be one of them.
Are you getting the water cup or are you getting a real
No,
cup?
dude. No, I'm not getting a water cup because I'm not 17.
Well, you get a water cup and you fill it with soda.
I hate that. But
that's
I'll tell you what I
caffeine.
have done. I'm going to confess live on air. I've taken the Chipotle bottle from Chipotle so many times.
Like the Tabasco.
Yeah, the dark Chipotle Tabasco. When there's only as much as I needed left in that bottle, I'm not doing this. I'm just taking the bottle.
Oh, take it to your table. Absolutely.
No, take it out of the store.
Oh,
Take it home. We're going to take it home because I was going to use it all anyway. I'm actually doing them a favor. I'm recycling. Okay. Ben, bearish, sun run, call spread, 16 earned in premium, boring, $17 strike price, trying to stay below 17. Nice.
Bam.
Nice. Okay.
it's solid.
All right.
Solid.
DJT,
I
call
saw
spread, bearish.
I saw a big move on that the other day.
What?
You did? Oh
I
man,
saw
I
the
was not
35
watching DJT.
Like 35% jump. It was in my headlines on Google.
Oh boy, 40.
Am I bearish on it?
You're bearish.
Yeah, you're bearish on it. You're looking for it to stay below 31.
Wow.
Oh,
That's crazy.
Hey, it's
below
running up.
31.
Hit the
That's
5 day.
crazy.
You
Hit
want
the 5 day.
It had an insane jump.
Oh, okay. You're kind of in a.
Oh, but I didn't see that tank. I just saw the jump. And I was like, Ben's going to go 2 for 3.
Well,
right.
if this was ending on Thursday, yeah, it would have been bad.
So you're technically 3 for 3 as well right now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm looking forward.
Oh,
Good.
I hope Dylan goes like 0 for 3 after.
All right, here we go.
Beginning.
We're going to start with Amazon put spread bullish, $70 in premium earned at a $185 sold put that I'm trying to stay above. 185. Yes.
Ding, ding, ding.
All
1
right.
for 3.
Lowe's, ticker LOW. How low can you go? Hopefully not low this week. $47 earned in premium. Looking to stay above 270. Give it to me. Oh, yeah. What
Nailed it.
another nice chart yearly
Nailed
for
it.
Lowe's there. We've been looking really nice since July. Can I see the weekly on that by any chance real quick? All right. Finding a channel. Okay. All right. So I'm 2 for 2. Let's go. For 9 for 9 total. Let's see if I can bring it across. Ticker XOM. Put spread bullish. $35 earned in premium. Trying to stay above a sold put strike of 1, 2, 1.
1, 2, 1. Ooh.
2 for 3. Is that going to be the start of Dillon's trend here?
Give me the 5-day. Give me the 5-day. I got to see what's going on here. Ooh. What happened? Was there earnings?
Nasty.
What is that?
I don't know. Oil prices have been a little
Low.
high. I
In
think oil,
Jersey right now, lowest
They're
that
well,
they've been in
low,
a very long
but I
time.
think oil prices in general. Ben, you want to pull up CNBC and find the oil prices?
I don't know.
Wait, I think something happened on Monday to. I thought something was happening with oil this week.
Oil's
crude
down.
oil, stock chain, but that was before that drop.
Well, I'm looking at crude oil now.
Yeah, a lot of news on the 17th around oil.
Oh no, yeah, oil was big in the news about a couple weeks ago, and it shot up, but the past 5 days it's been down.
So, just for a refresher, this is what we're looking at. Ben's currently 3 for 3 with 2 bears and a bull. Thomas is currently 3 for 3 with 2 bears and a bull, and I'm 2 for 3. I'm close on that XOM, but not there right now. So that is the current update. Tune in Monday at 8:30 a.m. for potential special guests. Still confirming. As well as the results on this week. Maybe Ben's pulling something up here, actually.
I think maybe before we get to this week's picks, since we've got a captive audience here, we should make an announcement.
New partnership.
You want to make an announcement, Dylan?
You pulled up. I see the screen backstage. It looks like you want to make the announcement.
I want to make the announcement.
Get it.
All right. So PeakBot has officially partnered with, and we've been talking about over the past couple of weeks, partnering with a registered investment advisor so that way you can leverage PeakBot's technology, PeakBot's bots, but have a professional, have somebody there to pick the bots for you, to pick your stocks for you, because we can't. So separate legal entities, but we are working together to provide you, the retail trader, with another way to succeed in this crazy market that's only open from 9:30 to 4 while you're working your 9 to 5. And that partnership is with Harvested Financial. Harvested Financial is a registered investment advisor out of Connecticut. Mark Phillips is the owner of Harvested Financial. We've been working with Mark over the past several months to finalize what this looks like. You can see this is on Mark's website here. Let's get a phone number up on screen.
Sure.
We are currently only bringing on about 10 new clients per week into this service. If you want to get onto the wait list, we've got a wait list of a couple of months at this point. So if you want to get onto this wait, and we'll be able to speed up onboarding as we work through the onboarding process and work out all of the kinks and stuff with the technology. But if you want to get on the wait list, send a text message to 973-888-1166 and just say you want in on the RIA service.
Here, I'll edit that. Let me edit that.
Advisor. If you're wondering what the fees are, there is a little fee calculator on this website. You can just slide this as you wish, and it'll show you what the PeakBot software fee is, as well as what the Harvested Financial AUM fee, service fee is. We are going to be partnered, again, of course, collectively working with accounts as low as $10,000. Now, the minimum annual fee for Harvested is $375. The minimum PeakBot fee will be $25 per month for these $10,000 accounts. But that's something that really hasn't existed for small accounts before. Having a financial professional be able to manage your account for you with only $10,000. If you took that to a financial advisor anywhere else, they probably turn you away. And that's a need that we saw in the market for retail traders. And that's a need that we wanted to fill. And of course, with this partnership here with Harvested Financial, we're going to finally be able to do that. So I'm very excited. I feel very, very strongly that we're doing the right thing here for the retail trader, especially those that, like we've heard many times, Dylan, right? Hey guys, we love your bots. Can you guys pick the stocks for me though? or
Yep.
can you just change things around in the bot for me so I really don't have to do anything? So for those that are looking for an absolutely hands-off experience, well, this is perfect. You can now leverage the power of PeakBot's automated trading strategies while having a financial professional overlook your account.
Absolutely. This is a big gap that's being filled here, right? We say small accounts, still a lot of money, right? 10K to our audience, to any audience, it's not a small amount of money. But as for what has previously been available, as far as, you know, getting your cash managed for you from a financial advisor, an RIA, normally upwards of 100, 150, $200,000. You know, I couldn't get a financial advisor if I wanted to, right? So this again fills the gap. PeakBot trade, you know, PeakBot strategies are what's being built in with your portfolio, managed by a professional. So PeakBot and Harvested Financial, if you're interested in a completely hands-free investing experience and a fully managed investment account with our partner Harvested Financial, again, separate entities, not PeakBot. We are just the software that's being provided to Harvested. Text us in for RIA to 973-888-1166. Big things to come here. Got a lot of our PeakBot subscribers moving on over already.
Yeah.
We're only bringing on, and maybe you mentioned this, Ben, I apologize, but we're only onboarding 10 clients at a time here. So there's a wait list. Text us. We'll get you on it. And let us know if you have any questions. So big announcement. Very excited about it.
And yeah, like Dillon said, if you got questions, send them over. One of the biggest questions that we've received is, you know, will I still have access to my account? And you will through Harvested Financial, but this is truly a hands-off experience where Mark and team, Mark from Harvested Financial and team will be managing your account using PeakBot's bots. And this is all going to be done through Tradier. So you will have a Tradier account, and we'll be able to automate via that Tradier account. So the process will be pretty much exactly the same as if you were working with any other financial advisor. You're going to have to open an account anyway that they could manage, so on and so forth. The sign-up process, you know, we've seen all the steps of the process, 10 minutes tops. So really, really easy, simple. And the nice part is, and for some people, this will be preferred. For some people, maybe not. But I think for most, it'll be preferred. The fees are going to come right out of your trading account. So it's not a separate fee that's going to be charged to your credit card on a monthly or quarterly basis. The fees are going to come right out of the profits that, you know, Harvested and PeakBot combined will be making for you. So that's a really, I think personally, I like that. I like that more than having my credit card being charged.
It's cleaner. It's just cleaner. Excellent. So big things to come here. We're very, very excited about the future of this partnership. Again, you see the information on screen. Let us know if you have any questions. So excellent. With that, I believe let's get into picks for this week. Really quick, just an update. Well, no update on Tradier, but as messages come in, we are getting back with you. So I did win last week. I know I picked the order in which we look at our updated result. That's not even like important. I think I still picked the order for today, although Thomas maybe gets.
That's not how it works, Dylan.
Okay, all right. Then how did it work? We rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah.
All right. Well, are we going to do this, or does Thomas need, you know, special treatment because he's
can't hear you, Thomas?
He's muted.
Can't hear you.
Whatever he says.
Right now, we're good. Sorry, I was typing and I didn't want the clicky clacks to go too loud.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna manage this process. Here we go. Ready? Rocks, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, that's a full wash, I think. That's a full wash. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh.
Hold on now. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Rocks, paper, scissors, shoot. That's a full wash.
It's a wash again.
Here we go. Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Rocks, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ben won.
I win.
All right, pick the order.
I was gonna go scissors there too, and I was like,
yeah. Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
We're just gonna wash again.
I'm gonna say Thomas goes first.
All right, I like this. All right, hold on. Let me.
What about some spy analysis for the group?
Oh yeah, Ben, let's get the SPY analysis going.
Yeah. I've got the Trading View calendar. I've got the SPY analysis. Let's take a look at Trading View first, looking into next week. Any notable events? We got some Fed speeches on Monday. Nothing marked as high priority per Trading View. We got a 42-day bill auction on Tuesday. Again, not that crazy. We've got a bunch of reports coming out on Wednesday of next week. A Fed speech later in the afternoon, Thursday. Oh man, it just looks like a bunch of data next week.
Yeah, wow, a lot going on.
High importance durable goods orders month over month on Friday, and that's really it. I mean, for what I personally look for,
Nothing.
I'm not seeing any big flags there. But that's just me personally, of course. Important for you to decide what's important for your trading strategy, right? In regards to our
financial advice. None of this.
None of this is financial advice.
Don't even know what that is.
Don't know. Yeah, we can't do that. Harvested Financial can, but we can't.
They can manage report 973-888-1166. In for RA.
In for RA. All right, so that's the economic calendar that we are looking at. I was looking around, like we could look at earnings if we wanted to look at the earnings calendar for next week, but that's all on the watch list. So we don't really need to get down there. I like looking at the economic calendar.
Give me that SPY.
Yeah, let's look at SPY. So we're gonna go back here. Let me refresh, see if trades are back yet.
Nah, I just X'd out the window. Out of sight, out of mind. Here we go.
All right, so we've got the SPY coming up.
Beautiful chart.
SPY. After for the full year, bullish trend, fantastic. Yeah. What's going to happen after the election in 2 weeks? Is it 2 weeks?
Don't ask me.
November 16th.
Don't ask me. That sounds like a month. That sounds like a month.
6th, right? I think it's the 6th.
It's the 6th.
Okay, then yeah, soon, very soon. Careful, everyone. Not financial advice, but careful.
Anyways, last week we were talking about how we were trading in a trend from the middle of September, breaking out of that trend, moving bullish last week, forming new highs, new all-time highs in the market, and it looks like that trend was proven this week. We did continue to move higher, and we see some big swings on some of these days. There was a lot of data released this week as well, so that could have caused a lot of this movement. So I mean, going forward, it looks like we're moving up, moving in the upward direction.
Hit this. Let's see the technical analysis.
Technical analysis for the week.
Yeah.
Strong buy. Technical analysis for the month. Buy. Now, I think last week when we looked at this tech analysis, there were 0 sells. Now there's 3 sells.
Yeah, it's look. Feed the hot hand. I'm telling you, this I think I'm going to be pretty bullish this week. When we were looking at that chart, we were talking about that third little curl there. We were like this because we saw the first two. You kind of called out this third, curl we're seeing right about there. Bounced off nicely, and the
nice thing about looking at these supply and demand levels is, look, we had a top here, we had a top here. And then that seemed to, once we broke out of that turned into a support line.
Yep.
Right.
Love that.
So that means a demand line, if you will, because when we saw the price retract back down to here, you can see that aligns with the tops here and here, bounce right back off of it. So that became a demand line, whereas it was previously a lot of supply. Now there's a lot of demand, and we're moving on up. So yeah, we will see if this trend continues, but I think that this is going to influence the type of tickers and companies that we choose this week for PeakBot picks. I probably won't be choosing DJT. We'll see.
All right. Well, hopefully stay away from WMT. Thomas, you're up first.
I'm ready. Let me share my
screen.
So you're not ready because your screen's not ready, but that's fine.
You're right, Dylan. You can call me out on that. Let me move.
You called me fat 5 times this week, so I can tell you're not ready when you're not ready.
And twice on the show.
Yeah, dude.
All right, nobody's trying to get these
Brutal.
tortilla sides here.
We had a conversation earlier today with Mark at Harvested, and we were talking about diner order.
Oh, I don't want to know.
You don't
want to know.
Actually, I kind of want to know.
All right.
I kind of want to know.
All right. Build your own omelet. Meat Lover's omelet. Taylor ham, bacon, egg, or Taylor ham, obviously egg. Taylor ham, bacon, sausage. Add peppers, onions. Go and cheddar cheese in an omelet. Anybody who does American cheese in an omelet, get real. Okay, cheddar cheese in an omelet. Comes with a side of hash browns, masking them for them. Well done. Crispy. Side of sausage links. Drown them in syrup.
Shut up.
Yeah. Of course, comes with the toast. That's the primary order. Now, I said if it's a weekend and we're really having a day, I will get a chocolate shake.
That's crazy. That's all crazy. Good move on the hash browns, though. There's nothing worse than getting soggy, uncooked potatoes next to
Here's the question: home fries or hash browns? What's your preference?
Well, when we're saying home fries, I mean we could be seeing I don't want like a brick hash brown. I want the shredded potatoes.
Well, I feel like no matter what you call it, every diner gives you something different.
Well, that's because not every diner has both.
I prefer the shredded potatoes over the breakfast potato cubes.
See, I like the breakfast potato cubes with the onions and peppers and everything.
That's great too, but I want shredded hash brown with that crispy top.
We
gotta get into picks. All right, dude.
All right, yeah, let's get into the picks here.
5 minutes and counting. You have your watch list up. Refresh the screen just in case, and you will zoom in a little bit so you can have the same complications I have.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right. My plan here.
We're all clicking on Thomas's screen to get
look at you guys. I'm trying to go. Oh my. There we go. All right. We're trying to go 2 bearish, 1 bullish. That's gonna actually. I might switch that. I'm thinking about going 2 bearish. I'm going to see some consolidation here, Dylan. That's what I'm kind of seeing.
Little dash.
I think we see a little dash here. I don't think we're going to break these all-time highs next week. Maybe the week after. Like we mentioned, elections are coming up. Ben, your face is in the way now.
I'm trying.
All right. So first, I'm thinking just going bearish on Oxy again. I think I'm going to do it.
Oh.
We're going to go bearish on Oxy.
Oh, boy. I'm not even ready.
Strike 53.
I need the premium.
$19. Bearish.
Okay. Oxy. Give me one more time. I'll give you another 10
Oxy,
seconds.
Bearish. 53. 19 in premium.
Okay. Done.
I don't need the extra time. I'm good.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. This is how we're coming today. Oh, whoa. That's a lot of earnings. I don't want to go down there. I want to get into a little bit of a bullish position. Where's my bullish? Why isn't this working? There we go. All right, bullish. I don't like some of these. I don't like. Johnson & Johnson. I feel like you can't go wrong. Let's go Johnson & Johnson above 162.5. Actually, I want to see it on the chart first. Hold on.
Dude, I don't want to say that you're getting a little careless here.
Yeah, I was a little careless, but I think
you're not even. Look, we'll get another third picker in here if you're not.
I'm just kind of confident in Oxy being bearish right now. I think just
that
because
chart looked pretty bearish. I'll give you that.
Yeah, it's up today, so I'm thinking I can get a good strike on it.
Are you taking J&J bullish or no?
Well, I gotta stay above 162.5. Yeah, look at that. Look at there's some support right there. 162.5 J&J bullish to get $20 in premium. Not financial advice.
One more.
2
minutes 45 seconds.
Wow, I feel like I got so much time.
You do, because you're careless.
And then there's Ben with DJT, so that's really careless.
Well, he's not. He said he's not.
I've won on it 4 out of 5 weeks.
That's true. See, statistically, what is that? It's 80%.
I don't know, Thomas. Focus on your picks, man.
Yeah, it's 80%.
You should have been able to do that quicker.
Well, I'm trying to multitask. I have you telling me, and then I got this, and then I'm trying to do math.
I'm just glad my face isn't on screen.
What are you looking for when you're scrolling through this list?
Yeah, give us.
So right now I'm trying to look for good bullish, but I'm trying to keep it lower on the budget scale here. I don't want too much volatility, but I don't want high risk either. So I think I'm going to try to go for bullish moderate. Let's go Chipotle. That just caught my eye. what's Chipotle doing today? I know we looked at the chart, but did we say it was bullish or bearish? Bearish on the day, a little bearish on the day. Yeah, I think it's a good time to go bullish on Chipotle. Let's go bullish on Chipotle. $58 strike, so not that's a decent bit of wiggle room. $58 strike, earning $20 in premium.
Those are probably your most boring. As far as premium earned picks go, that's got to be the lowest.
Yeah, those were some low premiums, but I don't want too much volatility. I don't think the market's moving too much.
Oh no, all good. So Thomas picks are in. I'm gonna see if this is gonna come across cleanly. We'll see if it does. So Thomas expiring next Friday. This isn't clean. Oxy bearish under 53. J&J bullish over 162.5 and CMG bullish over 58. Best of luck to you, kid.
I'm getting there. I got to go 3 for 3 again.
Okay. Ben, who's up?
I'm going to go next.
Wow. Okay. Wasn't ready for that.
Wow. And he's excited to go next.
Ben's excited. So we're going to get him going. Thomas, get a clock for us? Or you want me to do it?
You can get it done. I'm got to respond to a couple messages here.
Ready when Ben is...
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right. So first ticker I want to look at is Walmart. And this is why I wanted to go before Dillon, because Dillon would swipe Walmart. The sold put is $80, currently trading at $81.25. I want to take a look at the chart here just to confirm that we are looking solid here. I'd be turning a little, hitting somewhat of a top. Not as confident as I was hoping I would be in this. Only 2 sell signals over the week, 3 over the month. Not a strong buy. Man, well, my strategy was to take Walmart, but we might have to come back to that. All right, so I'm going to do what I do every other week. I'm going to sort by buffer, going with the highest buffer up top. Wow, DJT is not at the top of the list. Wolf Speed Inc.
I haven't seen that much.
I haven't seen this ticker either. What is this all about? All right, so we've got Wolf is neutral.
Both ways. Okay, so pick your side.
So I get to pick. So it's either 18.5 or 14.5. It's currently trading at 16.05. I think this warrants me taking a look.
I did, yeah.
Wolf. I'm not touching that.
No.
You trying to get my face on there? You got to drag my face above Thomas's face in the multi here. Now drag my face above Thomas.
I don't know how to do that, but
just click and drag.
Dude, don't hurt your time. Don't hurt your time.
Click and drag. Well, I already know that I'm going DJT.
You are?
Yeah. Yep, for sure. DJT is bullish now.
Okay, so you're bullish on DJT.
Yeah, I am.
Ben's going crazy here.
DJT bullish. $112 of premium.
On a $5 wide spread. That's crazy.
What's the strike?
27.
27 and how much premium?
112.
Nice. All right, you're in.
All right. I'm going to get away from these very high risk tickers and go to the high risk tickers. GameStop bearish. Do I think it's going to go above 22.50?
Ben's crazy with these picks, man.
No,
we've got to keep it entertaining.
That chart's entertaining.
22.50 is right about here, which we've been under that all of October, most of September, going back into August. I mean, we're just kind of sputtering out. I mean, we do have a higher low here. We got a wedge forming. Bam, bam. What way are we going to break out? Nobody knows. We'll know next week. I'm going to go with bearish. So give me GameStop bearish, selling the 22.50 strike for $12.
Amazing.
Okay.
1 minute, 40 seconds remaining.
How much?
140.
All right. I'll switch my face since you couldn't figure that out.
Couldn't figure it out.
All right. Let's go with a not high risk ticker. So we've got, these look like some ETFs here. A little bit of a buffer, bullish, moderate risk, 56 and 32, currently trading at 58 and 33. I kind of like what I'm seeing with Bill, just based on the buffer. Let's take a look at Bill, the chart here. We are bullish on Bill. Broke over this double top here, kind of like the market just did. We're going to have, looks like potentially some more resistance at $60, but we've got to drop down to 56, which I'm not sure that we're going to. So I'm going to
38 seconds.
I'm going to do it. Bill, give me Bill, Bill, like the name.
Yep.
Selling the 56 strike for $30.
56 for 30, and that's bearish.
No, bullish. It's bullish.
Okay. All right. You're in. Just in time. You had 18 seconds to spare.
Very cool.
Well done. So right now, Thomas had 2 bulls and a bear. Ben had 2 bulls and a bear. And we'll see what I come up with, I guess. So let's just get things going here. And I'm just going to refresh my alerts page so we can be ready to rock and roll. Okay.
Are you typing, Dylan? Are you one?
No, that's got to be Thomas.
Thomas.
Got to be Thomas. Slamming
I had my
keys.
mic muted before, and then I unmuted it, going back on mute.
Slams those keys.
It's all right. Okay, ready? I'm ready when you...
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, research. Gonna have that up. Here we go.
Wait, go back to Tradier. Is that notice gone?
I might have X'd it out, so don't count on it. One of you check.
I'll check Ben.
All right, I'm taking WMT. Bullish. $80 to earn $20 in premium. Thank you.
Oh, wait, I forgot. I was writing this.
Trading is still stopped, Ben.
Okay. WMT, Walmart, bullish.
80-20. We're going to look at
$80
low
strike, $20 in premium.
Above 2775. LOW above 2775. 2775. That's right here. We didn't touch it last week. 2775. We haven't seen that since October 11th. 1 week. Very good. Yeah, we're going to take this. Give me, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Ticker LOW, Lowe's Company, bullish, above 277.5, earning $106 in premium. I'm just liking what's been handed to me here. I mean, I hate to be like so boring, but I'm thinking about going like QQQ. Have we ever done that? Has anybody ever selected the Qs or SPY in this?
I don't think so.
Is that available?
Yeah, it's available.
All right. Well, then give me ticker SPY. Sold strike 580 to collect $107 in premium. Now I am gonna just look at the chart one more time before I confirm that. But I mean, I don't know why I'm not out here selecting the SPY every week. I mean, that seems like a mistake. So 580 is what we're trying to stay above here. If we look at the last month, we dipped under 580 once here from this week. Yeah, I'm taking it. Lock me in. You got the numbers?
You're locked. Yeah.
All right. Walmart, Lowe's, and SPY. Let's hope for bull week.
Walmart, Lowe's, and Spy, all bullish for you.
Excellent. Well, those are your PeakBot picks for this week. That'll be posted on socials later today, certainly over the weekend, and we'll be reviewing on Monday. In the case of any tiebreakers, you already know what we're going to be doing. We're going to be rock, paper, scissors live. Ben, send those my picks in Slack, please, and I'll get that up and running. I think we're nearing the end of this show here. Again, if you are interested in our new service, Professionally Managed Portfolios, it's now available through our partnership with Harvested Financial and right here through Tradier Brokerage. If you are interested, text us in for RIA at 973-888-1166. For anybody who is integrated with Tradier and did not see trades today on their PeakBot strategies and you have questions or concerns, message us either at that same phone number or with the chat feature in your account. We will be here communicating with you live through the process. Again, all other brokers seem to be operating as is, in case you're trading with multiple. Gentlemen, anything else?
No, I think we are solid.
All right. Well, Thomas, thank you for joining us today. Actually, really quick, before we sign off, what's your diner order? Any time of day. You're on mute. I don't want the answer anymore.
All right.
Thank you so much for tuning in, everyone.
Now you don't want my answer?
Give it to
I
us.
do.
All right. You got to go 2 eggs, toast.
Bad start.
No, it's just a semi-healthy order, Dylan. 2 eggs, wheat toast with butter. I'm going to go a little over the top there. Home fries, like the cube potato home fries with the onions and peppers, exactly. Sausage, but not like, I prefer not the sausage links, like real.
The patty.
Yeah, no, not a patty, like a real sausage, like an Italian sausage.
That's a link.
No, like a link is like those little like ground.
No, I'm talking the big fat Italian sausage.
Okay. All right. So then we're talking the same thing here. And then chocolate chip pancakes on the side.
On the side? That sounds like the main
No,
dish.
like two chocolate chip pancakes.
A short stack.
Like a short stack of pancakes. Exactly.
Short stack of chocolate chip pancakes.
Yeah.
You're throwing obviously butter and syrup on that as well.
Just syrup, no butter.
Dude, my wife does that. I don't know why you
I've
have
never
pancakes.
Put butter on my pancakes.
That's insane.
I normally don't either.
I don't think so.
I hate how this is trending.
Yeah, I think
butter on pancakes is very normal, at least.
Dylan just said we get more fat and just put it on top.
You're already eating, and there's chocolate chips in the pancakes. What do you want? More fat on there for?
After today's show, I'm not totally sure that I'm going to be seeing everyone at the Peak. I don't know if I'm going to make it, but you guys will carry on without me. In fact, fun fact, Ben and I, we were in Italy together years ago, and humble flex, and we were climbing Mount Vesuvius, right? That's what it was.
Yeah.
Mount Vesuvius, which was not a terrible hike, but I was really out of shape, and I did struggle. I did need to take breaks on the way up.
We took a van all the way to the top.
90% of the way up was did have transportation provided. We did the last little bit, which was still challenging. It was cold. It was windy, uphill, naturally. So anyway, look, you guys are lucky I have humility. Okay?
Yeah, I think you need egg white omelets from now on.
Certainly won't be making an egg white omelet. Anybody who has enough time to make an egg white omelet at home, get a job, get a hobby, go trade people.
Not if you get like the boxed egg.
But that's gross.
I think it's the exact. Have you ever watched them like a video of people doing it? Same thing.
No, I haven't. Again, if you have enough time to go watch a video on how egg white.
Because I used to buy them. So like my mom was like always complaining they're not healthy, blah blah blah, until I showed her how it's done, and then it's just like they're just like an automatic egg cracker, and they just save the yolk like you would do with your hands, but like a machine.
But how do they preserve it? That's what I want to know.
What do you mean? How do they preserve it?
Because after you crack an egg, doesn't it go bad like relatively quick?
I mean, if you keep it in a fridge like anything else, sealed at the top.
So this was
still sealed.
So Tradier Pro, $10 a month, commission-free options trading. Tradier Pro Plus, not on screen, but $35 a month. If you're trading on some very active strategies, specifically on SPX, etc., may very much be worth taking a look at Tradier Pro Plus.
Definitely.
As well, with some great savings on fees there.
Especially
So
if you're using Mr. Orb. We don't mention the Orb strategy too much.
Well, we tune in Monday for more information.
Yeah, for more on the Orb.
On the Orb strategy. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Almost 500 viewers today, which is unbelievable. People listening to our food orders.
Yeah.
As well as our stock picks, not financial advice.
Never.
And next week, I'm going to try not to be as fat. So appreciate everyone. And as always, we will see you at the peak, and hopefully I'll be there with you. Take care.
You know how the financial world goes. Here comes the buzzkill. Please make sure to take some time to read this boring disclaimer. We will owe you one.